Hello, Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question 3. The downturn in the prices of shares on stock market is a highlight of A. Efficient allocation of resources. Option A has nothing to do with stock markets. Option B says the regulatory nature of the market, which is the correct answer. The stock exchange is a regulator of the markets, capital markets, and the shares. What we deal with in the stock market is securities, such as shares and stocks. So the invisible hand, which is option C, is not part of it. Consumer rationality is not part of it. So the stock exchange is a regulatory market, and because of its regulatory market, the regulatory nature of the market makes the price turn to either going up or coming down. So thank you. Subscribe for more questions.